Hey UX researchers! Feeling stuck choosing the right research method? You're not alone. Today, we're simplifying it, breaking down generative and evaluative research and walking through key methods to match your project needs. Plus, we've included some free resources and templates to make your research process even smoother. Let's dive in. First, let's get clear on the basics. Generative versus evaluative research. Generative research is all about exploring the unknown, discovering problems, understanding user needs, and sparking new ideas. On the flip side, evaluative research is about testing and refining, making sure your product actually solves user problems and meets design goals. Here's a quick tip. Ask yourself, am I exploring new opportunities or evaluating existing solutions? Your answer points you to the right approach. Now, let's look at common methods for each type. Generative methods include one-on-one interviews. You sit down with users and ask open-ended questions to dive deep into their motivations, pain points, and experiences. This method is great for understanding the why behind user behaviors. For example, you might ask, "Can you walk me through how you currently use this product?" Focus groups. Bring together a group of participants to discuss their needs, experiences, or opinions about a topic. This method is great for gathering diverse perspectives and uncovering group dynamics. For example, exploring how different age groups perceive a new app feature. Diary studies. Ask participants to document their experiences over a period of time. This helps you capture real-life behavior and patterns. It's perfect for understanding how users interact with a product in their daily routines. For instance, a travel app might have users log how they plan and book trips over a week. Participatory design. Invite users to co-create solutions. This can involve sketching ideas together or brainstorming sessions. It's ideal when you want users' direct input in shaping a product. For example, involving teachers in designing educational tools for their classrooms. Contextual inquiry. Observe users in their natural environment while they interact with a product. You can ask questions as they perform tasks to understand their challenges and context. For instance, watching someone use a kitchen gadget at home can reveal design pain points that wouldn't surface in a lab setting. Evaluative methods include usability testing. Ask users to complete tasks with your product while observing where they struggle. This helps identify usability issues. For example, testing if users can easily find the checkout button in an e-commerce app. Surveys. Collect quantitative feedback from a large group. Use them to validate assumptions, gather preferences, or understand broader trends. For example, asking users about their favorite product features or satisfaction levels. A/B testing. Present two versions of a design to different user groups to see which performs better. This is great for optimizing elements like call-to-action buttons or landing page layouts. For instance, does a red or green button get more clicks? Heuristic evaluation. Have UX experts evaluate your product against established usability principles, like consistency and error prevention. This is a quick, expert-driven way to catch obvious issues before involving users. Card sorting and tree test. Card sorting. Ask users to categorize and label information in ways that make sense to them. This helps inform navigation structures. For example, finding out how users naturally group products in an online store. Tree testing. Once you've designed a navigation structure, tree testing helps verify it. Users are asked to find specific items using the proposed structure, and you can observe how easily they navigate. For instance, testing whether users can quickly locate customer support on a website. These are just some of the common methods. There are plenty more techniques that can support your research depending on the context and goals. To make your research process smoother, we provide you completely free resources that are built to help UX researchers like you. First, UXArmy's User Research Question Bank is a goldmine of over 300 carefully curated questions to help you craft insightful usability tests. Just use the filter or search feature to find the perfect question. Then, copy and paste. Second, check out UXArmy's Usability Test Planning Template. This free template helps you structure your test objectives, tasks, and key questions, keeping your research organized and efficient. Explore the details in the description below. And that's a wrap. Choosing the right UX research method doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on your goals, pick the right method, and use resources like UXArmy's question bank to streamline the process. Got questions or favorite methods? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to us for more UX tips. See you next time.